about the bird feeder?
Bird feeder, come back soon. He come back.
What kind of bird?
A cardinal.
What color is a cardinal?
Cardinal.
What color is a cardinal?
Is it red?
What is the cardinal doing at the bird feeder?
He's eating.
And what makes the cardinal feel scared when he's at the bird feeder?
He fly away.
Yeah. Why does he fly away?
I keep touching her.
Oh, do you touch the window?
Touch bird feeder.
You don't touch the bird feeder because it's outside and you are
Catch it.
inside.
Catch it.
We're not going to catch it. It's a wild animal. It needs to be free.
Come back by self. I come back. Able to fly anymore.
Oh, what wasn't able to fly anymore?
I don't fly able to more.
Do you think it could have been the bird we saw yesterday at the zoo?
Can't fly.
What else did we see at the zoo?
It don't could fly. Bird feeder. He flies.
Yeah, that one.
It doesn't fly.
That's true. What does Ella do?
It does toys and wands.
Toys and wands. What else does Ella do?
It does magic wands and flowers and monkeys and sunglasses and big sunglasses.
Are you naming everything you see in the room?
It's books. It's
Ella's
a
book.
train. It's in the blue room. It's toys.
Ella, what were you playing earlier?
Playing basketball.
Yeah, you were playing with a basketball. But what were you playing? What was the music you were playing?
Playing.
Did you play the trombone? What did you do with your lips on the mouthpiece? Did you buzz your lips?
Lips.
Can you buzz your lips for me? No, that's not it. That one. Yeah, and you made some good sounds come out, didn't you? What else did you play?
Play.
Did you play the trumpet? Oh, what do you say when you want to get out? What do you say? Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please. Okay, mommy's been taking a video of you. Can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Look over here and wave and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Squirty, are you still in my shoes?